Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull. Today I'm here to talk to you about the new styles from the Muse Collection. I absolutely love the Muse Collection, as I'm sure a lot of you out there do as well, for the obvious reasons, for the super trendy styles and the really beautiful array of colours that we have. This new style is Mod Sleek. So other than our really vibrant ones that we have in the Muse Collection, this is in creamy toffee and it just looks beautiful. I would class this as a long bob with curtain bangs and slightly soft framing layers around the front. It's important to remember in the Muse Collection that this is heat friendly, so we could style this with a beach wave or a curl, or even take it even more sleek than what it already is. So now I'm here with Silky Sleek in the new colour Icy Petal. Silky Sleek, as you can see, it's a very fashionably cut bob. You know, we've got this kind of gorgeous long kind of curtain bangs, but coming to a side. They're coming to a side from both here. What that does, it really frames the face and it accentuates the eyes, so it really draws you into the eyes. You can see we've got this lovely kind of shape cutting round the front. It's an inverted bob, it's Silky Sleek. So with Silky Sleek, you can see she's a bit shorter towards the back. We've got these softer layers that are running through. It really kind of frames the face with the layers that are cut there, with this gorgeous fashionable length coming across here. And I just wanted to talk to you about the colour Icy Petal. Icy Petal is a 50-50 blend of a really pale pink and white, and it just gives it a really fashionable kind of gorgeous edge, but I don't think it's too out there that, you know, only a certain amount of people could wear it. I really think this colour is going to be one to watch, so I'm excited about this. So this was Silky Sleek in Icy Petal. So now I'm here with Chic Wavez. Chic Wavez is in probably one of my favourite colours. I love this colour. This is called Midnight Stone. And it's almost like a grey kind of greeny tone. It's really cool, really cool. And Chic Wavez, as you can see, has got that very beautiful kind of beachy S wave to it. So if I just turn her to a side, you can see we've got this gorgeous kind of S-shaped bend here, which is very fashionable. A lovely shape within the back. So this is Chic Wavez in Midnight Stone. And again, important to remember that this is a heat-friendly style. So should you want to iron and straighten this bob fully through, you can. Bear in mind, if you straighten this, it will go slightly longer because you'll be pulling the curl straighter. And remember as well, you could actually tong this and make it even curlier. But also bear in mind, if you did that and made it curlier, it would go slightly shorter. So this is Chic Wavez in Midnight Stone from the Muse Collection. So this is the last new style from the Muse Collection. This is Lush Wavez in Grape Burst. I really love this colour. I love how vibrant and royal it is. It's just really almost like a regal kind of shade, and it just looks great in this style. This style, we have that lovely kind of beachy, kind of soft kind of wave that every woman wants at the moment. It just looks fantastic. We have the curtain bangs, which keep it really fashionable for this moment. And also, you know, again, remember that these are heat-friendly styles, so should you want to make it less curly, a little bit more wavy, fully straight, or almost corkscrew curls, you can do that quite easily. So this one, as you can see, looking gorgeous, Lush Wavez in Grape Burst. Thank you everybody for tuning in today. It's been a pleasure to be with you today and to share with you the new styles and new colours from the Muse Collection. Today you've been watching me, Alexander Turnbull, and as always, please remember to follow us on all forms of social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.